Kaya lang magulo dito sa restaurant nito. Sobrang maingay itong mga ikan. Ang karamihan kasi rito mga insik. So, good day mga ka-senior. Nandito kami ngayon sa restaurant ng sa loob ng TNT. At kami weekend sama-sama together. Kakain kami dito sa restaurant. Ayan. So, sila naman nag-order na ng mga kakainin namin. Yung isa naming anak, apo wala pa. Yung anak ng panganay namin, yung apo naming lalaki.
Ito, 4901.
So, ayan, parating na yung aming hello. Thank you. Thank you.
That's a Jordan 4.
Wow.
Say hi everyone.
What do you guys want, Jim?
Just fried rice and meat.
And food? Matching again?
Thank you.
So, ayun na. Ito na kami. Kumpleto na. Ayun, yung apo namin yung babae.
Watching your fence.
Yeah, sila huling dumating.
Where do they hug? I love those little dogs. I see all the parents like yeah. Like creeps. Yeah. I swear to parent. Right like in front of the street of like moving cars. We don't care.
Say hi.
I know, I wonder if like some parents like accidentally get mistaken for like
Because the fence is so high.
remember that one
The teachers stare at me while I do
Habang naghihintay kami ng aming pagkain na in-order, yan, nagbibida-bidahan muna. At tinatanong nila kung kailan kami aalis at kung kailan kami darating.
No. It's just like I had this stop and meals and that's it. When are you guys going to
Tuesday.
coming back? March 27. 2 months. 12
Alas
something in
2:30 daw ang alis eh.
I'm giving you
Pero yung pagbalik namin dito, hating gabi.
Just watch her. She might poke herself.
What's that?
Remember you got Ollie at Kinjo?
Isa kung idating yung pagkain, hindi parang sa Pilipinas.
it's probably like
Yan na yung mga order. Kaya
but
kulang
what
pa
I
rin.
I don't think I have ketchup here.
I think dalawa itong kanin. Yung isa ay chicken yung kasama, yung isa ay fish.
Pass me the phone.
Is it the chicken one?
Is it chicken?
Ayun yung ano, yung one, sino may gusto na wonton soup?
You want soup na? I know you're good.
Just this one.
So, paano yan na? Yung ibang pagkain namin parating pa rin.
I'll eat some of these too. Ikaw na, nag mo.
Bigyan mo ako ng isang piraso at saka isang gulay.
Gulay.
Tubig, nasapin mo ko ni Boy siguro.
Nanay.
Nasapin niya.
Nanay.
Okay, you guys want the wonton soup?
One? Oh, yeah.
Nasapin niyo pa mo.
Wala naman ang laman yan eh.
You think Elmo song?
So, ayan. Ayan, kompleto na. Ito na yung pieces.
Ayun na yung ano, yung may ano, may salted fish.
Ito yung
Fried rice
kinakainan
na
natin
may
yung sa may
salted fish.
Ang ano niya, Korean. Korean na ngayon.
Anything almost 92 with Kuya Levi.
Can I give you some out? That's not. It's spicy.
Ayan. How's your food? We are
Ano, yung
okay.
right bowl.
Hindi pa pala dumadating yung ibang order. Meron pa palang dalawang natitira. Ang tatlo.
Dalawa, tatlo pa ata.
Ito, ang dami na. So, ito muna kakainin ko. Yung fried rice na may dried fish. Tsaka itong pusit.
Ito ba malambot?
Alam po yung ganito.
That's the one.
Yung soup na in-order. Yan, yun na.
One glass.
Yan. Isa na lang ang kulang.
Kevin, this soup is good for your throat.
Oh yeah.
It's a little bit
Oh,
anghang.
no, no. Not anymore. Yeah. Is it maanghang?
Just a little bit.
A little bit.
What?
That?
Not for Gigi.
No, no, not for Gigi.
Oh, yeah. What?
But it's good. It's fish mask.
It's a bit hang, but not that much.
Try it.
If it is hang, I can. But I'm able to. You want more? It's good. I'll get you some. Huh?
Don't have water.
This one. Can go.
Beans ito. Beans. Ay, ano ba ito?
Beans.
Hindi ba
Yeah,
beans?
did you?
Yan, masarap yan.
Yung isa hindi pa dumadating. There's one more, right? One more vegetable. I just double check right now. Yeah.
I think one more.
Stir fried. Mixed veggies.
One steam rice? Yeah, mixed veggies.
Yeah, mixed veggie.
You get a steam rice
No.
already?
Yeah, no,
No, we
no.
didn't get the steamed rice. Very rare.
Oh, that's the steamed rice. Kangini steamed rice.
Kaya kami kaya Levi.
So, ayan po mga kapilyo. At kami nakatapos na rin kumain. Kami uuwi na rin pamiyamya.
Stay with me anyway here.
Ito na natin ang pagkain.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Sobra yung in-order niya.
7. Hi, baby! Malalaki portion ito. Eh, kapag ano kayo, kaganito lang kami. Ito, malalaki portion.
magbigay nila dito.
Yung malapit na maghiwa-hiwalay. So, ito mga ka-senior, kwan na to parang yung aking birthday, mayroon pang pinahabol na regalo yung aking apong lalaki. Saka ito parang yun nga, weekend sama-sama namin at kami parang kwan pa rin namin sa amin, despedida. Sige po mga ka-senior at maraming salamat na lang sa pagsama ninyo sa amin dito sa aming weekend get-together. Hanggang sa susunod na lang na video tayo magsama-sama. Okay po, babay na.
7. 7 kayo Hindi, binilang ko 7 eh.
Pupunan ko nito. Ayan, kanya-kanyang balot mo. Mga magsasyaron.
Guys, today's have steam rice. You wanna bring it?
Sino mag-steam rice?
Uwi na lang namin.
Ayan na, kasi hindi mo nahawakan. Yan ang sa amin.
Ah.
Kaya lang magulo dito sa restaurant nito. Sobrang maingay itong mga kan. Maraming karamihan kasi rito mga chick.